Jai Gurudev students. Today, the second part of the tissue chapter. Epithelial tissue already that one is I described you in my previous class. Now today, next type of tissue, that is muscular tissue. Regarding the muscular tissue, that is general structure, muscle cells are highly elongated and contractile. Due to the presence of actually muscles, we can expand and contract our body parts, and that is known as fibers. And the cytoplasm which is present within the muscular fibers are called sarcoplasm. Okay, the cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm. And cytoplasm also contain large number of long, fine, that is parallel proteinaceous thread, which is called the myofibrils. So you remember cytoplasm is known as sarcoplasm, and the fibers, that is proteinaceous part, is parallel proteinaceous straight thread-like structure, is known as myofibrils, and they have a power of cell division and regeneration. Now, what are the general function? It is responsible for the movement of the body parts, as I already told you, and mental equilibrium of our body, and it provides support to the skeletal structure. It controls facial expression. Now, what are the different type of muscular tissue? Generally, muscular tissue are of three types. One is striated, second one is smooth, and cardiac. First one is striated. So striated muscles, you just see the structure. What is striated muscle? Diagram, I have drawn the diagram. In case of the striated muscle, so one dark and light bands are present. These are the dark, these are the dark, these are the dark, and the light bands are present. This one is nucleus. Okay. Separately, I have drawn here same thing, that is striated muscles. In case of this striated muscle and sarcolemma, that is outer membrane, sarcoplasm is the cytoplasm part, then this one is nucleus, dark band, which is again it is known as anisotropic or A band, and the light band is known as Hansen line or Z zone, or it is also known as isotropic or the I band. So here in this structure, the dark band, this one is a dark band, is called also, that is the anisotropic or A band. This one is A band, and the light part, which is known as isotropic, I band. Okay, and this light band, just middle part, is known as sarcomere. This is Z line, this is also Z line. So in between the two Z line, sarcomere. Okay, so in case of these striated muscles, so it is found in the lean, in the tongue or abdominal wall, pharynx. Okay, and the structure, the striated muscles fibers are arranged parallel in bundles called fasciculi, and each muscle's fibers are long and cylindrical. It is long and cylindrical, straight but unbranched, and number of nucleus are present. Okay, sarcoplasm is with a numerous large size, mitochondria is there, and it is multinucleated. Under light microscope, each microfibrils of striated muscles fiber appear as form of a alternate light and the dark band. Next one is smooth muscles. The structure of the smooth muscles, actually position where it is found, it is present in the wall of the visceral organ like the alimentary canal, blood vessels, urinary bladder, then uterus or genital duct, etc. Okay, And the structure, it is generally arranged in layer and forming a sheet. And these are the small in size in comparison to the that is previous muscle, that is striated muscles, and it's extremely covered by the plasma membrane. Outer membrane is known as plasma membrane. Already I have written here, plasma membrane. It is uninucleated, only one nucleus is present. Okay, they are not under the will of an animal, so they are involuntary. And peristalsis movements of our body is due to the presence of this type of smooth muscles. Now next type of muscles, it is called cardiac muscles. In case of the cardiac muscles, actually these are found in myocardium of heart. Okay, and they have some similarities with a smooth muscle and some similarities with a striated muscles. Just like the striated muscle, they have alternative light and dark bands are there. But in case of the, that is this type of muscle, just like the smooth muscle, one cell with one nucleus, here one cell with one nucleus, but they are branched. So this is known as oblique bridge. Oblique bridge is present. So dark band, light band, then one nucleus and oblique bridge is present. And mode of contraction, though they are found in the, that is our heart of our body, so cardiac muscles undergo rhythmic contraction and can initiate their own waves of excitation, and this contract rapidly but do not get fatigue. Okay, so this work with some efficiency throughout life. So this one is cardiac muscle. So these are about the three types of muscles: striated muscles, then smooth muscles, and last one is cardiac muscles.